Alright, so today we're going to be talking about Microsoft 365. I'm going to start off by giving you an overview of what it is and then let you know how you can log in and access your account today. Then the security features that you will encounter when using this software and the core applications that most of our students use during their time at the university, and finally some helpful links if you need more information or support. So Microsoft 365 is an online subscription service that is available for free to all our students, and it includes a number of very useful applications and tools to help you in your studies. You can access it on up to 5 devices, so your phone, your tablet, your laptop, and it's of course included on all the student PCs. This will include Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and many other applications and tools that you might already be familiar with. If you haven't yet got access to it, please visit office.com and log in with your University of Kent account and put in your password and you'll be ready to go. If it's your first time accessing the service, you will be asked to set up multi-factor authentication. This is just an added security measure to verify that it's you. It's quite simple to set up, but if you have any issues, please feel free to visit the help desk and let them know what your issue is, and we will be happy to support you. Here are just a few of the most popular applications that are used with Microsoft 365. Word is used for creating documents, and you can collaborate with your students. You can share this with your professors. You can allow people to make comments or edit it. Excel, again, is a brilliant tool for creating spreadsheets, calculations. It has a number of functions that you can explore there. PowerPoint is for creating presentations, and Outlook will be for checking your Kent email account. Microsoft Teams is used for video calls, chats, and you can also share files with specific people and collaborate directly through Teams. It became particularly useful during the pandemic when a lot of work and studies went online. It is designed specifically for collaboration, and you should contact your professor if you want to find out whether they will be using it for their particular module. OneDrive is a very important resource while you are at Kent. It's where you can store all of your files and share them with your professors and fellow students. You will receive 1 terabyte of free storage. This can be particularly helpful if you want to share a large file with someone. Rather than having to attach it to an email, you can just share a link directly to the file that is stored on your OneDrive, and they can access it in that way. It's very useful for collaborating with your fellow students or sharing with your lecturer. If you need any more information or support, please visit the Kent website, and here are just a few links that I thought would be useful to you. There's a whole page that has guidance on using Microsoft 365 as a student at Kent, and there's also a page to manage your IT account, and lastly, a link there for the help desk.